Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hello everyone, my name is Anandaj and I am studying at Maharaja Agreshan Institute of Technology in the Computer Science and Technology department. In this video, I will give you a quick walkthrough of my project, a short demo, a look at the init and workflow I built, and finally, I will tell you the challenges I faced and the lessons I learned. The project I worked on is called AI Travel Planner. Its main purpose is to help users plan their travel itinerary automatically. For this project, I used technologies like lovable AI, ChatGPT, and N8N. Here is the demo. On the home page, users can see the form. This is the form where you can enter details like name, email address, city, destination, start date, duration, total people, budget, preferred transport mode, and special requests if you have any. Then you will click on Plan My Dream Trip. This will trigger the workflow. This will trigger this workflow. For example, once data is submitted, it triggers a flow that processes the input and then sends the result to the user as email. This is the webhook node, which starts when the user submits data. This is a validate and normalize node, where I process the data to be filled in Google Sheets. And finally, HTTP node generates the itinerary. Then update Google Sheets and send it to mail and website to display. In execution, you can see that the workflow has work completed. Now in Google Sheets, we can see the details we have filled, and this is the itinerary, which is also now shown on the website. We have also received an email. This is a travel itinerary: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7. Here is also the link for hotel booking, similar activities, and the map for directions. This project taught me several important lessons. I learned how to integrate multiple tools together from front end to back end to automation. I also improved my debugging skills and become more patient while testing step by step. Another big takeaway was learning how to read documentation and error messages properly, especially for end-to-end and third-party APIs. And overall, I realized how powerful automation can be for saving time and reducing manual work. So that was my project demo, workflow walkthrough, and the key lessons I learned. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach me. See you next time.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.